Brandon Heller with Burmeister Farm Equipment, dealer for AMSOIL, and we run a lot of short line equipment, a lot of wear parts. We sell John Deere parts, Westfield augers, Land Pride, Great Plains, just a few of the things we sell. If you're ever looking for anything that way or anything AMSOIL, we can get whatever you need if we don't have it on the shelf, or anything like that.
So that includes small engine machines as well, right, Brandon?
Correct. We run John Deere lawnmower parts. We can get parts for pretty much anything lawnmower related. We do have a full service shop as well, so, and can do on site as well. Have a service truck.
And what's the best number to call here to get a hold of you?
815-238-4937 is my cell phone, or 815-745-2000 is the number for the shop.
Great. Okay, Brandon, thank you very much, and good luck with the store.
All right, thank you.
So, I recommend you come on over to Brandon's store here. You got some lawnmower blades here. We got some lawnmower filters. It's an interstate dealer. Got batteries here if you need them. You know what those are. Looks like he's got more than enough of those. Hitches and so forth. Probably going a little fast for you guys, but you get the idea. And looking for AMSOIL, this is the place to come and get it. He's got more stock in the back as well, if you need more, or he can get it.
I was talking to Brad about them the one day, and I don't know if it's in the 560, but it's in the newer one. You gotta set them in, measure them, take them back out, set them.
I don't know what else you need. You got a farm tractor. Looks like he's got you covered.
Yeah, you might as well.
I just added a case of oil to it.
Yep.
Yeah, figure something out someday.
Okay.
You know, and I'll let him know.
You guys lost both legs?
Yeah.
What happened, or what?
Well, first of all, he had an ingrown toenail, and he didn't really realize it. And then he had loaded cattle at Jerry Meats' and got stepped on and busted open.
Oh, sure.
Well, they never went to the doctor.
Come on down.
2 or 2.5 months after that, next thing you know,